Troubleshooting a fuse out of a circuit using continuity. Set the DMM to test continuity and check the meter function by touching the leads together. The meter should emit audible tone if continuity exists. Touch each side of the fuse with a meter lead. Only touch one side with your hand. An audible tone means the fuse has continuity and is good. If the meter does not emit an audible tone, the fuse is open or bad. This can also be performed using resistance. DMM will display a value of 0 to 1 ohms for a good fuse, or OL for a bad fuse when using both continuity and resistance on the Fluke 115. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.